Hey, what's going on, guys? It's G, that drain guy. You see I got a new haircut, new beard cut, so it's gonna be a fresh new day. Let's go take a look at a plugged bathtub. Let's see what we pull out. How you doing? Where am I going here? Right over there? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in and close the door, okay? Oh, so, as you can see, it's holding water. We're going to take the overflow cap off. Step 3. So you guys can see it draining properly. So what I like to do is push the cable in as far as it'll go to where the trap starts spinning, and get a good grip on the cable and force it through while you're spinning. That will push it through that trap, and then just continue spinning and pushing it in, and you'll usually see where it clears. And then you try to go, you make it to the stack, you try to get to the stack. In this case, the stack wasn't backed up because the toilet wasn't backed up. So we know we're clear here. So I'm going to continuously spin and pulling it out, and then see if we get anything on the end of the cable. So nothing came off. There's a little bit of hair, but there might have been a little bit of hair on the cable when it went in. So could have just been some soap, some buildup, and some hair that got pushed down. So we're gonna let this run for a few minutes. We're gonna do a little cleanup here, and we're gonna wrap up, and we're gonna say that's good. So really, it only takes 3-4 steps if you have the proper equipment to clear a bathtub. But yeah, the snake I use is from Rigid. It's a K39 with a 1/4-inch cable with no inner core. So basically you can have an inner core cable and a non-inner core, and the inner core just makes the cable more rigid, and it's harder to go through the bathtub trap, but it can also kink up a lot easier. So you need to kind of know what to feel for and how to go when you're snaking a drain like this. Because if the cable kinks up, and if you continuously go and don't know how to run the machine, you can kink it up inside the drain and actually get it stuck. So if you know what you're doing and you feel comfortable doing this, you can rent this machine, I'm pretty sure, at like Home Depot. Or it might be easier to just call a plumber or a drain technician to do this for you. That's kind of on you guys how you want to do that. So hopefully you can see everything's still draining good. So that's where I'm going to leave this one. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. I hope you have yourself a good day. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Frogna.
How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a townhouse today, and you can see laundry room's backed up, the laundry sink. So we're gonna disconnect the trap clean out right here and snake up and into the stack. So we take our pliers. It's like cement. Okay, we still have to undo this. I don't understand why it's going so slow. Okay, there's actually feels like a popsicle stick and lint. Okay, it's a straw. Looks like some paper towel. So maybe that was the only issue. Oh wow. And you can see nothing's building up on this side. So there you go. I think we got it, guys. It was just some stuff in the trap. Pulled out a straw, some paper towel and whatnot. So I hope you guys liked this video. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taravna.